myself Jenifer. I'm coming from Meenambakkam. I'm working as embedded engineer.
And this is Ilakya. I'm coming from Pattabhiram and working as an embedded developer. And today I have attended a free RTOS workshop which is conducted by Mr. Prasanna Kumar. Actually, he have explained the free RTOS in very simplest way. This was very helpful for us, and it is very easy to understand. And he have explained it with some real-time examples also.
And we have done many like a hands-on experience also. So we have done some tasks also. It was very useful for us, and mainly it was very useful for the who are working in the automotive industry and who are developers of the company. That very useful for them.
Yes, it is very useful, and we are expecting this kind of workshops in futures also.
Thank you.
Thank you.